A phrasal verb is a fascinating aspect of the English language that combines a standard verb with an adverb or a preposition, creating a new verbal phrase with a unique meaning. Think of it as a mini language puzzle where the pieces fit together to form something entirely different from their individual meanings. Take the phrasal verb get over, for instance. The verb get typically means to acquire or obtain something, while over can imply being above or beyond something. But when you combine them, get over takes on a whole new meaning, to recover from or to overcome a challenge. It's like magic, two simple words morph into a powerful expression. Let's explore some examples to clarify this. In the simple past tense, you might say, I had the flu last week but got over it. Here, got over shows that you've recovered from being sick. It's not just about acquiring the flu, it's about moving past it. Now consider the infinitive form. He wrote a song to get over his grandmother's death. In this case, get over signifies the process of healing from grief. It's a poignant way to express how someone copes with loss. Moving on to the gerund, we can say, getting over prejudice at work is never easy. Here, getting over refers to the ongoing struggle to overcome biases, emphasizing that it's a continuous process. And let's not forget the past participle. Having finally gotten over the breakup, they were ready to return their partner's things. This shows that the individuals have moved past their emotional pain and are now prepared to take practical steps forward. Phrasal verbs can be tricky because their meanings often don't align with the individual words. For example, give up means to quit or stop trying, which is quite different from the literal meanings of give and up. Another common phrasal verb is look after, which means to take care of someone or something. If you say, I look after my younger brother, it's clear you're responsible for his well-being, not just looking at him. Then there's run into, which means to unexpectedly meet someone. If you say, I ran into an old friend at the store, it implies a chance encounter, not a literal running. Phrasal verbs are everywhere in everyday conversation, making them essential for fluency. They add color and nuance to our speech. So the next time you hear someone use a phrasal verb, remember that it's more than just a combination of words. It's a new expression with its own unique meaning. Understanding and using phrasal verbs can elevate your language skills and help you communicate more effectively. So, embrace them, practice them, and soon you'll find them seamlessly woven into your everyday conversations.